The biggest mistake people make that worsens cramps. Did you know that a common habit could be making your cramps worse? If you frequently experience cramps, especially at night, you might be unknowingly doing this wrong. Keep reading to find out how to fix it immediately. The biggest mistake: not getting enough magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that helps relax muscles, maintain electrolyte balance in the body, and prevent uncontrollable muscle spasms. A magnesium deficiency can cause muscles to overwork, leading to prolonged and recurring cramps. However, many people don't realize they are deficient in magnesium because the symptoms can be subtle and unclear. Some simply think cramps are normal, but in reality, they could be a sign that your body is lacking an important nutrient. Warning signs of magnesium deficiency. Recurring cramps, especially at night. If you often experience cramps at night, particularly while sleeping, it could be a sign that you need more magnesium. Restlessness, stress, or insomnia. Magnesium plays a vital role in helping you relax and reduce stress. A lack of magnesium can make you feel restless and have difficulty sleeping. Persistent fatigue despite adequate rest. A magnesium deficiency can cause unusual fatigue, even when you've had enough rest. Muscle twitching or stiffness. If your muscles are prone to cramping or you feel stiff after exercising, you may be lacking magnesium. How to correct magnesium deficiency and reduce cramps. Include magnesium-rich foods in your diet. One of the simplest and most effective ways to boost your magnesium levels is to add magnesium-rich foods to your daily diet. Foods such as pumpkin seeds, almonds, leafy greens, like kale and spinach, lentils, avocados, and whole grains are excellent sources of magnesium. Drink magnesium-rich mineral water. Some mineral waters naturally contain magnesium, helping you replenish this mineral throughout the day without worrying about overeating. Take magnesium supplements. If you find it difficult to get enough magnesium from food, magnesium supplements can be an effective option. However, before starting magnesium supplements, it's important to consult your doctor to choose the right type and avoid any side effects. Soak your feet in Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, which helps your body absorb magnesium through the skin when you soak your feet in warm water. This practice not only helps reduce cramps but also relaxes your body and mind, especially before bed. Increase vitamin D intake. Vitamin D helps your body absorb magnesium more effectively. You can boost your vitamin D levels by eating vitamin D-rich foods like salmon and eggs, or simply by getting sunlight at safe times each day. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can make cramps worse. Be sure to drink enough water each day, especially when engaging in physical activities or in hot weather. By supplementing magnesium into your diet and adopting the healthy habits mentioned above, you can minimize cramps and enjoy a healthier life. Remember, magnesium not only helps relax muscles but also supports many other vital functions in the body. Other mistakes that make cramps worse. Drinking too little water. Muscles need water to stretch properly. When the body is dehydrated, muscles become more prone to stress and cramping. Dehydration reduces muscle function, worsening cramps. Be sure to drink enough water throughout the day, especially before bed, to keep your body balanced and minimize the risk of cramps. Consuming too much caffeine or alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol are powerful dehydrators. They increase water excretion through urine, which in turn reduces essential minerals like magnesium and potassium in the body. A deficiency in these minerals can make muscles more prone to cramping. If you frequently experience cramps, limit your caffeine and alcohol intake to protect your body from dehydration and mineral deficiencies. Not stretching before sleep. A simple yet extremely effective habit to minimize cramps is doing light stretching exercises before bed. These movements help soften and relax muscles, especially the leg muscles, preventing sudden cramps at night. Just a few minutes of stretching each evening can help you sleep better without being disturbed by cramps. Lack of potassium and calcium. Potassium and calcium are essential minerals that help maintain electrolyte balance in the body, support muscle function, and prevent spasms. A deficiency in these minerals can lead to more frequent cramps. To get enough potassium and calcium, include foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, nuts, dairy products, or leafy greens like kale in your diet. This will help your body maintain balance and reduce cramping risk. When should you worry about cramps? Cramps are quite common and usually not serious, but in some cases, they can be a sign of underlying health issues that should not be ignored. If you encounter any of the following situations, don't hesitate to seek medical advice promptly, as they could be warning signs of a more serious problem. cramps lasting longer than a few minutes and not easing despite remedies. Normally, cramps last from a few seconds to a few minutes and can resolve by stretching, drinking water, or gently massaging the area. However, if the cramps persist longer than usual and don't improve despite trying various remedies, this could indicate a more serious issue. Some potential causes of persistent cramps include severe deficiencies of essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, or other conditions such as neurological disorders, peripheral artery disease, or kidney problems. If this situation lasts, consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis, accompanied by pain, swelling, or skin discoloration. If cramps are accompanied by severe pain, swelling, or changes in skin color, such as redness, blueness, or purpleness, be cautious. This could be a sign of a more serious health issue, such as blood vessel blockages, peripheral artery disease, or an injury or internal damage that you may not have noticed. In such cases, blood circulation could be compromised, causing a lack of oxygen and nutrients to muscles, leading to cramps and related symptoms. If you experience this, seek medical attention immediately. Frequent cramps with no clear cause. If you experience cramps frequently without a clear reason, especially if there have been no changes to your diet or lifestyle, this is a worrying sign. Frequent cramps without a known cause could reflect an underlying issue with your nervous system, circulation, or muscle and bone health. Your body may be lacking essential nutrients, or a chronic condition may be developing unnoticed. If cramps occur persistently and without clear cause, consult a doctor for testing and diagnosis. Symptoms you should not ignore. Numbness or muscle weakness. If cramps are accompanied by numbness or muscle weakness, particularly in specific areas like the legs, arms, or limbs, this could indicate nerve damage or circulation problems. Chest pain or shortness of breath. If you experience cramps along with chest pain or shortness of breath, you should seek medical attention immediately. This could be a sign of serious heart or lung problems. Unusual swelling or puffiness. Swelling in one or both legs could indicate issues with circulation, kidneys, or the heart. If this persists, you should undergo a thorough health checkup. Reduced or discolored urine. Changes in urine color or a decrease in urine output could be a sign of kidney problems, and prompt treatment is necessary to avoid dangerous complications. In summary, cramps are a common occurrence and can stem from simple causes like dehydration or mineral deficiencies. However, if they happen frequently, last longer, or are accompanied by serious symptoms, you should not ignore them. Be proactive in seeking medical advice for an accurate diagnosis and timely treatment to ensure your health is not severely affected. Are you making this mistake? Cramps can result from simple causes, but sometimes they reflect a serious health issue that you might not expect. Check if you might be unknowingly making mistakes that worsen your cramps. Leave a comment and share your experience. Have you experienced frequent cramps, and what remedies have you tried to relieve them? Do you think any habits might be making your situation worse? And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss important health tips we'll share in upcoming videos. Your health is our top priority. Take care of yourself every day to stay healthy.